Hi everyone, welcome to my nail fantasy. I'm Chris, and in this video I'm going to show you some festive polishes from Nail Addict. In my opinion, perfect for the holiday season. And on top of that, they're gonna have Cyber Monday sales. And if you're interested to see how those polishes look when I apply them and what kind of special offers they have, then just stay tuned. Okay guys, are you ready to see some awesome, formal and sparkly polishes that will be perfect for the upcoming holiday season? And on top of that will be on a special sale on 29th Cyber Monday sale from Nail Addict. Cassandra has contacted me and asked me if I wanted to show you some more of their gorgeous polishes. So thank you so much, Cassandra, for sending me these polishes and for letting me show them to all you guys. And of course, I will also pop up some discounts for you. Please see also the link in the description below, which you will have to use to be able to take advantage of those awesome discounts. Here we go. The first polish I'm gonna show you, and of course we are gonna do that as always. I show you the polishes first, then I'm gonna put them on some nail tips so you can see how they apply and how they look. Let's get started with some glitter. This one is called Not Ashamed. Interesting choice of words. And as always, Nail Addict's gel polishes are vegan. They are 5-free. You can see that here. It's a little hard to see. And they are cruelty-free, which I actually love. They have no odor, or not really a very noticeable odor. It's less than when I use my paint, and they look gorgeous. They last a long time. They are easy to apply. Here is the Not Ashamed. It's a really awesome glitter. Perfect for the holidays, New Year's Eve, something to combine with a regular color probably for Christmas Eve. Awesome glitter. The next one I have for you is another glitter polish. This one is called Endless Nights. It's a blue, Endless Nights, blue glitter formula, like the dark sky with all the stars. Very pretty. Here you can see they always put the colors here. The next one I have is Paradise Peach. It's a berry glitter color. Awesome. The glitters are not as big here. It's more sparkly. Smaller glitters than the previous two polishes I showed you. The camera does not do it justice. I'm gonna pop up some nice pictures in the sun at the end of the video of all the colors so you can see that. The next one I have is really, in my opinion, awesome for the holidays. It's Rainforest Queen, and it's this dark green with a subtle glitter. Not too much, but it has this dark Christmas green color. And when I move the bottle around, you can see it's this emerald sheen that you get. Then we have Sassy. Sassy is a glitter brownish color. It's like a mochaccino from Starbucks. No, I'm not affiliated with Starbucks here. It's just they have these fancy names, and I feel like Sassy is the perfect name for this polish. It has quite a lot of glitter, but smaller glitters in it. Then of course, always I have to show you something in purple. This is called Sunset Strip, and it is this dark purple color with lots of glitter. It really comes out when you have it under a bright light or in the sunshine. Fortunately, we get lots of sun here in Florida in winter as well. So these colors are absolutely perfect for that. You can see it here when I move this bottle cap around. Very pretty. Then we have the High Standards. High Standards is a black color with glitter in it, and it's little almost holographic glitters. I feel they are holographic. Can you see the rainbows in those glitters? Black with glitter, always perfect for New Year's Eve. Combine that with the glitter I showed you before with the Not Ashamed, and you'll have an awesome manicure for New Year's Eve. Isn't that pretty? Look at it. And the last one, I kept that because it's Kiss Me Now, and this one is holographic sparkle. You don't see it here because I don't have the correct light, but it is holographic and it is super pretty. I'm gonna show it to you in the sunlight. Has all these tiny glitters here. Look at it. Look how they sparkle already. Absolutely perfect. Again, New Year's Eve, Christmas. Combine that with either the black one I showed you or with the purple and with the green emerald, and you're good to go. This fits with all of the polishes I'm showing you today, and I'm excited to finally put them up on the tips so you can see how they apply. And we're gonna do that right now. As always, I'm gonna pop up some music. I'm gonna speed up the video, so sit back, relax and enjoy. And I'll talk to you after I've applied all the polishes. Polished all the nail tips, and as you could see, they apply awesome, no streaks. They are self-leveling, so they are perfectly smooth. I have used one top coat of the No Vibe top coat from Nail Addict. And by the way, Nail Addict, I had a mistake previously in the video. Not only is it 5-free, these are 9-free polishes, so they have no bad chemicals in them. My discount code will pop up here. It's a 50% off discount. You have to go through the link that's in the description box below, and everything is posted also in the description link below. I will post all the links to those polishes that I'm showing you in the video, so check that out. Here we go with the Paradise Peach. That is this berry polish, They were all almost opaque in one coat, but I used 2 coats for all of them. They look super pretty. The next polish that I used for you is the Endless Night, and this one is particularly pretty. Look how it, like, depending how the lights hit it, it's really dark down here, but the glitter, it makes it look like you have a gradient. I love that one. Very big glitters, but totally smooth. Easy to apply and such pretty polishes. Next one was the Sunset Strip. This is the gorgeous purple polish, and again, you can see it has this gradient effect. When the light hits it up here, you can see the pretty glitters, and down there it almost looks black. Awesome polish. Love it. You guys know I love my purples. The next one is the Sassy. Very small glitter, so it's totally smooth. Do I have to say it again? Perfect color for the holidays. Then I had the High Standards. The High Standards is the dark black with the glitter. Looks like the midnight sky. Pretty. And now we come to Rainforest Green. This one I think might be my favorite out of all of them. I don't wear greens very often, but this is dark jungle emerald green with those pretty glitters in it. If the light hits it, it has this gradient effect, which makes it look so beautiful. What do you think? I love this one. And now we come to the 2 really sparkly ones, and this is my second favorite here, the Not Ashamed. This was the first sparkly, big, chunky glitter polish that I had that was opaque in one coat. I couldn't believe it. And the glitters are also self-leveling. Nothing sticks out here. You can see that that's a perfectly smooth polish, smooth on your nails. How good would that look with any of the polishes that I showed you? Just one accent nail and you're good to go. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do for my next manicure, I tell you. And the last one, Kiss Me Now, is that holographic polish that I told you. Cannot see the holo right now because I don't have a special light, but it is a holographic polish, and I will prove that to you when I take pictures outside in the sunshine, and it's super pretty. Those are the polishes I wanted to show to you today. That's it for this video for the Nail Addict Cyber Monday polish sale. Don't forget to check out the description for the links you need to take advantage of the 50% off on all these polishes. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful holiday season, wonderful day wherever you are, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, but never stop polishing your nails. Tata.